everyone. Today we will dive into database packages in Python. Databases are an essential part of modern applications, helping to store, organize, and manage data efficiently. Whether it's a web application, data analysis tool, or a machine learning project, databases play a crucial role in the ensuring data is organized and easily accessible. So in this session, we will cover what database are and their types, why we need database packages in Python, some popular database packages, and how we can use them in Python. So we'll start with the question, that is, what is database? So a database is an organized collection of data that allows for efficient retrieval, insertion, updating, and deletion of information. Databases can be classified into two main types. First one is SQL databases or SQL databases. SQL is nothing but structured query language. These databases are relational in nature. That means they use structured tables with the rows and columns to organize the data. They allow for powerful querying and data manipulation using SQL. Example, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite. The next one is NoSQL databases. Not only SQL, these databases are more flexible and are used to store unstructured data like documents, graphs, or a key value base. NoSQL databases are suitable for scaling large amounts of data across distributed systems. Example for this are MongoDB, Cassandra, CouchDB. Why database packages in Python? Now you might be wondering, why are database packages important in Python? Python offers several libraries that make it easy to interact with both SQL and NoSQL databases. Here are some key reasons to use packages in Python. Ease of connection. Python databases packages simplify the process of connecting to and interacting with different types of databases, both SQL and NoSQL. Next one is CRUD operation. With database packages, we can easily perform CRUD operation. Create, read, update, and delete data in the database. Querying the data. These packages allow you to query the database using SQL commands for relational databases or database specific commands for NoSQL databases. Transaction. So they also allow handling transactions, ensuring that operations like adding or modifying the data are done reliably and consistently. So these packages are essential tools that allow us to integrate Python with databases, enabling us to build dynamic and data-driven application. Now let's take a look at some of the popular database packages that Python supports. SQLite. SQLite is a lightweight serverless SQL database that built into Python by default. It's ideal for smaller application and testing because it doesn't require a separate server process. It's a great for local storage for prototyping. Second one is MySQL. MySQL is one of the most widely used relational database in the world. It supports large scale application and has excellent performance and scalability. Python's MySQL connector library allow us to interact with the MySQL database seamlessly. Next, PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is another powerful SQL database that open source and supports advanced features like JSON support, indexing, and full text search. The last one is MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, meaning it stores the data in a flexible document-based format. It's perfect for unstructured data and can also handle large volume of data. Python's PyMongo package allows us to interact with MongoDB easily. So what can we do with these database packages in Python? Let's break it down. First thing is connect to databases. With Python libraries, we can easily connect to SQL and NoSQL databases. The second one is CRUD operations. Database packages let us perform CRUD operation. Create. Create is used to insert the new records, whereas the second operation is read operation, which will help you to retrieve the records. The third operation is update, where you can modify the existing records. The last operation is delete. It will help you to remove the records. So the third one is query data. With SQL databases, you can use the SQL filters, queries to filter, sort, and modify the data. So the last one is transaction. When performing multiple operations such as inserting or updating records, you can use transactions to ensure that changes are committed to the database only if all operations are successful. This helps maintain data integrity and prevent partial updates. Why should you use database package in Python? Here are some advantages. Okay. The first one is efficient data management. The databases are optimized for storing and retrieving large amount of structured and unstructured data efficiently. The second advantage is scalability. Relational databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL and NoSQL databases like MongoDB are scalable. That means they can grow as your data grows. The third advantage is data integrity. Relational databases ensure data integrity through features like primary keys, foreign keys, and constraints. These mechanisms ensures that data remains consistent and valid. The fourth advantage is security. Databases often offer the built-in features for data encryption, user authentication, and access control, which help secure your data. So this will be the end of the topic. Thank you.